family, parents, teachers, and students. We have a Snap and Read program that lets students have their work read to them, and it's basically text to speech, and it can be used on any website or Google Doc that they have in Google Chrome. So in order to use it, the first thing you have to do is turn it on. So if you've logged into MyKatie, up at the top under the extensions, you'll see there's a little, it looks like a little like Periscope maybe. So you're going to click on it, and you do need to sign into it. So the students will have to click on sign in, and they can sign in with their Google account, which is their ID number at students.katieisd.org. Once they've signed in, you'll see on the right-hand side the tools have popped up over here. Okay, so let me just show you an example of how this might work. So let's say they're on a website and they want something read to them, like this about alligators. All they have to do is, on the right-hand side, there's a little square with a plus. If you click on that, they can come in, click and drag and hold, and they're going to draw a box around what they want read. When they do that and let go, it'll read it to them.
Alligators are large lizard-like animals with long, rounded snouts and powerful tails. They spend most of their time in the water, but they also travel on land. Alligators.
And then if I want to turn it off, I would just click on that X. It also works in a Google Doc. So let's just say I was writing about my favorite movie, and those tools are still on the right. So they would just go ahead and click on the square with the little plus sign, draw a box around what they wrote. And this is a perfect way to check your work after you've typed a paragraph, is to listen to it and make sure there's no mistakes before you turn in your final copy. So I'm going to highlight that.
My favorite movie is Star Wars. I am a huge science fiction fan who grew up in the 1970s.
All right, now you don't probably want to keep these tools open all the time. So what you can do is you can go up to the top and click on that little periscope for Snap and Read. Once you've signed in, you can turn it off. And then you can also click on it again and you can turn it on. So anytime that you need it. But Snap and Read is an awesome way to have the text read back to you or your students.